Pag lumingon ka, akin ka. Gusto mo namin ito sunog-sunog. Yan. Sunog.
Good morning, Philippines!
Guys, good morning pala guys, good morning. Tignan natin kung may kumain ba sa ano. Look. May kumain talaga guys, look. May kumain. Pusa yung kumain yun. Parang hindi pusa. I think hindi pusa yung kumain. Tulog pa si Tami. Good morning. Ngayon guys, nagluluto lang ako ng bacon. Ito, luto tayo ng bacon. Hindi ko man I think tatlo kami ni Tami. And then, eggs. And nanonood ako ng TV. Bumango na si Tami. Ito siya. Saka ito. Bird, gusto to ni Tami. Pero ias natin siya kung gusto ba niya itong tapusin. Do you want me to finish it all? Yo, good. Hi! Maayong buntag! Syudad sa Sugbo. Anyway, so ngayon, nag-jacket tayo kasi yung temperature is sobrang pangit. Pangit dong, pangit.
What the hell?
Pangit dong, pangit dong, pangit dong. Nako, I love you. Mama is going out. I-try natin, ibalik natin itong bangs. Han, my bangs, honey, it's a problem.
Let's get the bowl. Wait, I can do this.
What?
I can fix that.
What are you trying to do?
Alright, come here.
You're crazy.
Smaller bowl.
Ay, ay, ay. So, I'm going to the bathroom to fix my bangs, guys. Okay?
Hey, I'll do that.
Han, please no. That's a dish, honey. Don't put it in my head.
Perfect. This is perfect for you, baby.
Han?
Where's the scissor?
No, you have to wash that now.
I know.
Okay, guys. I'm going to the bathroom and fix my bangs. Ang anuhin ko lang is konti lang naman yung ilagay ko sa labas. I think hindi lahat. Ano lang para lang mainitan sila ba? Ito, initan. Kasi pangit siya kapag hindi mainitan. Ito siya. Look, ito. Yan, dyan yan. Balik. Hi. Hi, Misty. Ibalik natin cucumber, guys. Ibalik. I think kailangan ko silang i-replant itong cucumber. Okay. Sili. Kailangan ko din silang i-transfer. It's not crazy, right, honey? It's not really crazy cold. If you're under the sun, it's okay. Ibalik ko to sila. Ito is, ano ito, guys? Tawag nito? Tammy's parsley. Parsley ni Tammy. Ito siya. Okay, dyan. Ganito yung buhay sa ano. Ganito yung buhay ko. Dahil yung weather is crazy. Tumaas na yung garlic. Look. Tumaas na sila. Look. Garlic is growing.
Is it recording? Yes.
Ito yung gamitin natin, guys. Nanonood ako ng instruction. Ito pala. Hala, wrong. Then, what you have to do, I'm just going to use my hand. Slowly, tigil lang siya guys. Para mag-absorb yung fertilizer sa ilalim. Every 3 months daw ito siya. Every 3 months.
And this has been an instructional video on how to grow $10 worth of vegetables for only $600. What?
Oh, 5, right?
Right. Why are you writing on that? Shouldn't you just put a wooden stick in there?
Oh, 5.
And that's why we bought the sticks. Lime leaves. On? Take that out.
Prutas at saka gulay. Yun. Dito tayo sa harapan. Meron kasi akong ano dito. Ito. Yung tinanim ko na ano. Sana po mabuhay po ito. Damihan natin ng tubig kasi. Para masaya. Ang daming damo. Magdamo ako dito, guys. Kasi may mga damo. Isprayan ko lang to. Anyway, guys. Maglinaw sa labas. Ano kayang plano nito? I think maglilinis yan dyan. Kalo. Diba marami akong sinisidling. So, kasi yung temperature this week talagang nakaka-bad trip. Nakaka-bad trip yung ano, hindi natin alam kung mabubuhay. For sure, yung bok choy mabubuhay siya sa labas kahit maginaw. Pero, yung mga eggplant, yung mga corn, naiinis na talaga ako sa weather dito, guys. Kasi, wala na talaga, guys. Parang wala nang summer na darating. Kasi, puro na lang talaga 50s to 60s yung temperature. So, sobrang maginaw-ginaw pa rin. At saka paggabi, 30 above. Hindi siya abot ng 40 mo. 34, 37, 36, ganun-ganon yung gabi. So, ang ginawa ko is, nagkakat ako ng mga container doon. Nagsisidling ako and then, girl. Pero, every night, kailangan ko siyang ipasok. Kasama yung mga binili namin. Strawberry, pepper, and also yung tomato. So every night ipasok ko sila, every day kapag hindi sobrang maginaw at saka sani, ilabas ko sila kasi okay naman yung mga 50s at saka may araw, di ba? So yun yung gagawin ko na lang until kung kailan ito talaga babalik yung normal, yung temperature. Nagbo-boil ako ng itlog and kasi gagawa tayo ng macaroni salad for tummy. So, nagkakat ako ng mga anek-anek. Leftover kaninang umaga dito na bread at saka bacon. And then, kami ni Tami, nag-snack kami ng vegetables.
Same as the other one, unfortunately, it flips like the other one does.
And, magluluto pala ako din ng guys. Ibo-boil ko lang to siya. Itong pork ribs. And then, itong turkey para sa aso at pusa. And then, ito, pagkatapos namin siyang iba-boil, i-grill ko siya mamaya sa labas, yung charcoal. Katulad ng ginawa namin nung andito yung kaibigan ko. Tapos na. Ito yung mga natapos ko, guys, na kinakat. Carrots. Nakatapos na tayo ng itlog. Olives. And onion and celery. So, ito yung mga gagamitin ko para sa macaroni salad. So, ngayon, ito na namang pork yung anuhin ko. Ikakat ko lang siya, guys, and then ibo-boil. Ito na yung pork. I-ano ko lang siya. Binoil ko siya. Linagyan ko siya ng maraming paminta. And then, yeah, paminta. And konting asin sa tubig. Sa tubig nyo siya ilagay. Para hindi talaga siya direct sa ano. And then, lagyan ko rin siya ng boyon. Na boyon. Ito siya. Asan yun? Bay leaves. Bay leaves. Siya. Hugas-hugas. Hugasan para hindi ano si Tami kasi ayaw niya yung hindi maghugas.
That appears to be a false premise. Fauci has gone to the
Pag lumingon ka, akin ka.
natural selection in a different species.
Pag lumingon ka, akin ka. Pag lumingon ka, akin ka. Pag lumingon ka, akin ka. Lingon! Isnisan. Aching! Busy ako sa mga ginagawa ko. Pero, nakalimutan naming 1 o'clock na pala, 1:20 na. So, ngayon, kakain ako, at si Tami. Yung kakainin ko is the burnt salmon. Tami burnt the salmon last night. It's really ridiculous. Look what happened. He did it. He fry and leave it alone.
Yeah, that's what I do.
He will say,
I do anything with salmon.
he will say, "You're lying again, honey. You're lying. You're such a liar." Anyway, so yun guys. Kakain tayo guys. And what are you eating now?
We're bringing up a ham.
For? Is that for the kids? And I'm happy, I'm ready, I'm done with cutting things because my husband is not helping me. Pabayaan natin siya dyan. Right, Han? Han?
You lie to all your customers. All your viewers. You lie to all your viewers.
I lied to all my customers. You guys are my customers. Oh, Han?
You just lied about me. Why should I kiss the person who's lying about me? Since I burnt your salmon.
Guys, if I'm laughing, guys, that means if I'm laughing and talking shit about Tommy, I'm lying. So that means it's not true. But seems like he still doesn't know. Still doesn't know me. You should know me. You should know me, Beta. Beta.
What's your daughter's face?
I don't care about his face, her face. She doesn't eat breakfast, guys. Itong dalawa, guys, Roxy and Misty, hindi kumain ng breakfast. Nakakaloka talagang buhay na ito. Guys, hindi. That's not lie, guys. It doesn't mean if every time I laugh, it's a lie. Now I have to defend myself, Ane. I have to defend myself because you're a coach. Ito, guys. Ito yung pork. Ito siya. Anuhin ko lang siya. I-season. Ito yung season ko, guys.
Brush?
You need a smaller brush.
We have one.
Ito siya, guys. Sweet baby ribs. It become like sweet. Oh, no, shit. Go ahead. Open it. I
You have
can't
to run it
open
under
it.
hot water, yeah, because it's sugar in it, so. Yeah, run the hot water for a minute.
Oh, you did it?
Sometimes you gotta run under hot water because the sugar makes it like blue.
I pour it like this. And then just smear it, right? Ayaw ko itong mga ganito, guys, na seasoning. Ayaw ko talaga to. Pero ito yung gusto nila eh. Yung mga ganito.
Yes, that's my spot.
Yan. Tapos ko nang naluto itong pasta. Ang ilagay natin is ito. Onion, celery. I-mix lang ko lang siya, ganon. Ganito yung, actually ganito yung ano nila, ni Tami na macaroni salad. Ito yung macaroni salad nila. Yan. Yan siya. So, ito na siya. Mix na, diba? I-mix ko lang siya. Wala siyang chicken. Hindi siya katulad ng ano sa atin. Ito yung ano nila. Mitami. Garlic and onion powder. At saka paminta. Nagsara na yung ABS-CBN guys. Today, last night. Hindi na yun babalik. Hindi natin alam, diba? Kung babalik ba sila o hindi. Pero, alam nyo kung bakit guys ganong nangyari. Bakit maraming dahilan. Maraming dahilan kung bakit kasara yung ABS-CBN. May mga nilabag sila. And then also, hindi lang yun yung paglabag. May mga tao din behind this kung bakit nangyari ito. So yun yung sa akin lang ha. Lumabag sila and then adoy Ginoo ko yung kuhilom. Di ba yung kuganahan anang mga sabaan ba? So yun, may mga tao behind this. You know, mga sa likod ng gobyerno o sa likod ng pangulo kung bakit nangyayari ito. Yun yung pinapaniwalaan ko, pero hindi naman ako yung parang galit sa gobyerno. May mga something lang na very obvious na nangyayari ngayon about sa yung mga taong nagsulsol. Yan, makikita mo naman, hindi naman sabi na lang yan, haka-haka. You know, makikita mo kasi nagsasalita kasi yung mga ibang tao na nagsusulsol. So, kitang-kita talaga yung ebidensya na yung si Presidente Duterte magaling, pero may something na yung parang nasa likod niya bumubulong-bulong. Yun yung ko, mga bumubulong-bulong, ganon. So, lagyan ko siya ng lemon. Kasi ito talaga yung recipe ni Tami. Lemon, konti lang guys. At saka, konting horseradish. Na yun. Suka, konti. Konti nito. Ito yung tubig sa olive. Konti lang talaga guys. As in, mga konti-konti lang. Kasi, kapag magsama-sama yung ganon, hindi kasi ito pwede pagsabaw. Lang to, parang, ba yun? Ito yung macaroni salad. And, ilagay natin yung egg. Yun yung pinaka-last. Yan, lagyan. Ito kasing egg, guys, mag-dry siya. Kung konti lang yung nilagay ninyo na mayonnaise, mag-dry itong salad niyo kasi yung yellow niya, egg yolk. So, busuhop. Hinigup kasi, higupin kasi niya yung So, yun, ito yung macaroni salad natin. Yan. Naalala ko tuloy si Bianan kasi ito yung paborito niya. Paborito nila tong dalawa guys. Naalala ko siya. Nakakasad. Mother's Day pa naman. Malapit ng Mother's Day. Ano na lang ipa-ano ko ito mamaya ni Tami. Ipa-testing kung okay na ba yan. Yan. So, I guess mamaya na guys. Kasi maaga pa daw. Sabi ni Mr. Kopido. That's an indoor charcoal. Tommy doesn't believe me na indoor siya.
See how much smoke it makes? Not indoor.
That means you do it on the outside first. And then when it settles down, in.
Bring it to the garage with cars with gasoline in them while it's still hot. Not a good idea.
Who don't eat breakfast? You don't eat your breakfast? So what do you think your dinner is? It's the breakfast. That's the breakfast food you're going to have. She give me a bad look on. Who doesn't eat breakfast? You don't eat, you didn't. You didn't. You didn't, but I love you. Come here, love ni mama na. Come here, baby. I love you, love. I love you. Ang ganda ng panahon. Panahon is ang ganda. She doesn't?
Nope.
So, Misty, you give her?
Sniffed in both dishes and walked away.
So, how about...
She ate, sniffed in it, looked at me, and she went back, she ate, so I put half in it.
Why you don't eat? Go eat your din. Tapos na, guys. Gusto mo namin ito sunog-sunog. Yan. Sunog. Yan, nasusunog na talaga yung iba. Ito. Masarap ito, guys, kasi charcoal. Hold it properly, okay? It's heavy. It's heavy, baby. Oh. You wanna grill more dried fish? Meron pa kasi, guys. Oh, sayang naman itong kalayong to. Wala akong knife, guys. Masarap siya, guys. Good thing about charcoal, so you can taste the burning. Sarap. Thank you, Anna. Oh, this knife is almost cut me before.
Snuck it behind her when she wasn't looking.
Huh?
It snuck it behind you when you weren't looking.
Sarap siya, eh. Kawawa si Roxy, guys. Hindi kumain ng pagkain niya. Ngayon, wala siyang treats. She's lying down far away. She usually lie down close in between us. Now she's like away. Han, love your daughter, Han. I feel bad for her.
Oh, so bad for her too. Knock her in. Eat your dinner, Rox.
Roxy, it's your din love. I love you. My husband's looking at me like so weird.
I got for you, but you gotta eat your dinner first.
Hobbs, that's my chair. Hobbs, please. That's my chair, bug. Can I sit over there? Hobbs? Can I just have my space, please? Mama's not done yet. Little boy, can I sit down? Hobbs. I will stand here that you can sit there.
Eat your dinner. What? Eat your dinner. This is not a negotiation. You eat 2 bites and then you get something else. Eat your din or it goes to Misty next. Come here, monkey. Come here, Miss. Monkey.
Oh, guys, we love our
More here.
kid. His heart is full of love, right, Han?
And his belly's full of turkey.
No. Excuse me, guys, if you guys doesn't like to see what's happening right now, how we treat our pets, because some people doesn't like, you know, like, why you do that, why you have the cat, don't touch your pet, don't touch it. Shut up. What do you think of the pork?
Good.
Good? Thank you, you like it. Usually you just said, okay.
Finish.
Ice cream muna kami. He has the, what is that?
Lemon meringue.
Lemon meringue. And he's watching a movie. I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.